Hey guys, it's Steph with Steph's Adventures and Bad Buys, and we got an unboxing to do. We do an unboxing here from time to time, and so today I'm super excited about this unboxing. Is from Joma Shop. And it is a pair of luxury sunglasses that I just thought that I could not live without. So let's see what we got in the box. And it's a beautiful day here in Alabama. We have spring going on. These are a pair of Cartier glasses. These Cartier glasses, I can't exactly remember the name of them. I'll list all that information in the description box below. And I'll walk up and show you all this just as soon as I get everything undone. I'm moving pretty quick today because my camera's been cutting off on me and I don't want to do that through this unboxing today. So these are the Cartier with the Cartier case. And oh, how pretty. Really pretty. Beautiful case. Oh, this is a beautiful case. So, and you know me, if you know me, I do my sunglasses this time of the year. I get excited. And these are, I think they're called the... Okay, my friends, let's get on with the unboxing. This is Louis Vuitton. I've already undone the box for us. And these are the Cartier glasses. Love, love, love them. Gold, metal here. Some little gold Panthers metal there. And a gold lens. And a tortoise plastic or acrylic, I'm not sure. So I'm loving them. And this is the long-awaited Clés from Pharrell. Pharrell's line, the Damoflage. So without further ado, let's get the unboxing done on this baby before anybody comes up with the camera cuts off. So it comes in this nice little slip drawer and dust bag, says Louis Vuitton. And it's got a little box in there. Oh my gosh, oh. Absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Oh, y'all, I love it. Oh, I love it. It has Louis Vuitton printed here. It has Louis Vuitton gold beading. It has a green zip with matte black hardware. It has little cards inside. It has a black matte hook for your keys or to clip on your pants. And it has a black lining. Here that has a patch that's green on the inside. Has Louis Vuitton made in France, and then it has some French words and some numbers. So I'm going to walk up and show you guys the patch there, and these are the glasses. So you get a little bit of a close of both of those. And we'll put that back in. I love that line, and it feels very durable. And there's our key clay. And it looks to be very well made. And it's just beautiful. And this again is from the Pharrell's men's line, the Damoflage. And it definitely goes in my black sport sack sport handbag. And I am off and ready to go on vacay. I am heading to Biloxi soon, so I'll be filming from Biloxi pretty soon, and hope you guys get to enjoy some vlogging on that trip. So stay tuned for that. And I do intend to do a better review of the new little Louis that I got at some point. Video cut up on that one too, so you know, it is what it is. And thank you for being here with me wherever you are in the world. I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you've ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you'll get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And yeah, these are the codes and stickers and all that good stuff for the glasses, and for the, of course, this is the glasses. They're Cartier, and that's for the Pharrell Williams. Clés. Just absolutely love it. Glad you guys could be here for the unboxing with me. And so that it won't run long and cut off on me. Let you guys know that I'm excited to see you on the next unboxing. Love you.